Yo, man, your cooking. I think your cooking will be good. I know. I bet it's gonna be great. Yeah, man. But all I gotta say is, whose Coke is that? You can have it, man. All right. Coke is so good. Oh yeah, this Coke is so good. It's really bad. Get your face, get your whole body out the camera, man. Come on. Yeah, man. That was so good. Drink it. Oh my God, so good. Really? You're not the chef here. I'm the chef here. I am the chef. No, you're not now. I'm the chef now. I can drink what I want. So you can drink anything. You can even drink toilet water. Anybody can drink toilet water if they want. Wow, you make no sense. Let's just get ready. Alright, man, let's just get ready to eat, man. Get ready to eat. Yeah, everybody's gonna be sitting on that chair, so move your Coke. Your Coke. Simone, can I get like 3 patties, please? 3?
Yes, hold on.
Okay. Where's my vitamin? My vitamin. That's mine. I know. What? Do we still have more orange? What is that, sugar? You open it? Oh, thank you. I want orange. Can't wait to eat my vitamin. Can't wait to eat my gummy. Really? Where's our gummy? Where's my gummy? This is really not like a real type of gummy. This is a vitamin, man. A vitamin. You want a gummy vitamin? Yeah. I'm sick. Then you don't need gummy. So good. Really? You're gonna do it like that? Yeah. Okay. I see what you're trying to do. What? I'm not doing nothing. You're just eating. 3. So let's eat. Everybody eating time. Really?
It tastes a little weird.
Stop it. Don't say my food. Don't say food tastes weird.
No, that's your fault.
Let me try this. Let me try this burger of his. What is this? I'm just gonna break it. You know, the cheese. Oops. Got the burger. Alright, now let me try. Ugh! What type of cheese is this? I like the cheese.
I don't like cheese.
Oh my God. Ugh. Oh my. I cannot stand. I thought I loved cheese with like hamburgers. But that cheese, nope. Oh. Pretty good. Alright. Food time. Everybody come on. eat the ones with the cheese. Cause man, makes no sense. All right, we have 2 people here. I'm not hungry, cause I'm eating this Milky Way. Oh, snacking on the Milky Way. You want me to eat? I'll eat. I mean, I love hamburgers. Hamburgers. I love me some hamburgers. Let me sit down. Yeah, let you sit down. Yeah, they can't really see you that good. Well, then sit right here. You know what? I don't even want no food. I do. Come on then. I want food. Well, then come on then. What you waiting for? Yeah, man. What you waiting for? Sit down. All right, man. Man, this is kind of cool. Kind of cool saying with y'all, because we all cool kids around here. We are the bullies. People say they're cool, so we are. Yeah, man. Let's get snacking. Ugh. Oh, I'm so full. Man, we dominated. We dominated that, right? Yeah, man. That was some bomb food, man. Bro, man, your food was good. Thank you. You're welcome. Carrots. Oh my God. I love me some carrots. Oh my God. Who's eating carrots? No. This carrot was good, man. But what you want to do? What you want to try to do? What you gonna do? What you trying to do? Yeah, man, what you trying to do? What you trying to do? When you saying what we gonna do?
I eat them carrots. It's time for bed.
I really don't know, but.
Mom, it's time for bed.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I have to pause the camera for a second. Yeah. How do you do this?
That
This
can't
is
go
so
upstairs.
good.
That can't go upstairs, Mom.
Why are you even eating that? Drinking that. Bye, everybody. This is the end of the video. We're going to be doing a part 2 tomorrow. Peace.